Hi guys, it's Emily, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about the effects of advertising in social media and how to be media literate while exposed to advertising in social media. So a lot of us love social media. I'm one of those people, love Instagram, love Twitter, love Snapchat, and it's addicting because we all like the likes and the comments, the retweets, the screenshots, the shares. Any way of getting more exposure, more popularity on these sites. And because of it, media marketing has become so prevalent because they understand that people are watching these heavily popular people and they know they can get a lot of exposure. According to a site, Hootsuite.com, 3.196 billion people globally are on social media actively. That's 42% of the population is on it. And just North America, you're looking at 70% of North America has a social media that they're on, that they'll use every day. And so they understand that that's a really good way to market. And we see sponsored posts everywhere by these really popular people who get 1 million, 10 million, all these likes. Kim Kardashian, according to US Daily, she's told them that she'll charge up to $500,000 for a single sponsored post. And she does a lot, you'll see them for the Hair Bear gummies or the weight loss teas or the waist trainers, things that are on our brand with her. And this goes for different influencers as well, whether they talk about places they like to shop or food they like to eat or things that make them look beautiful. Beauty gurus, they show makeup. And so now as consumers, we're stuck in this place where we're like, well, are these people telling the truth because they really do like this product, or are they getting paid? And so we're stuck in, how do we be media literate when we're exposed to a sponsored post? And we always have to remember to read those captions and see if the influencers you like, if they're, hashtag sponsored, hashtag ad, if, they're being exposed to things. A lot of them will be really honest about it and some not so much, where you just kind of have to look at the picture. This particular one says hashtag ad, so but what shows in the picture, Kim Kardashian posts 1 million selfies a day, but when do you see the brands in them all the time? She's selling something, so you have to look for what's being sold. So then there was an article written by Bob Douche, which says that when we truly identify with something, the brain's medial prefrontal cortex, which is the part that is involved with self-definition, is activated. So when you see something that you identify with, you feel, you can take it in, you can trust it. And we are there. So for media sites, the problem is that they get to us in the heart in a way, and in the brain, that they can sell us anything they want if they relate to us. So at the end of the day, we have to push ourselves through relating and see the intention behind why this post is there and if it's an ad or not. And so when you are looking on social media ads, just think a second, why am I buying this? Because 76% of U.S. consumers have seen a brand online and have went and bought it, whether it was at that time or later in the future. So do your research and think more of the post than just a fun little thing to share on social media.